Oi, you fatty. Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Jenny Sieber, and today I'm going to be doing something I've never done before, which is I got this box from Fab Fit Fun. I literally paid like $5.99. I just paid for the shipping and it's supposed to be worth $75. So I'm super excited to see what's in it. I have not touched it yet. I got it in the mail yesterday and I've been like dying to open it. So if you're here to laugh at my liquid lipstick application, shame on you because I suck. So don't pay attention to that. So anyways, if you'd like to see what's in this box, please just keep on watching. So there have been, sorry, I'm just trying to open this box. So there have been many times that I've been like, I put Fab Fit Fun in my cart and then I never ordered it because I'm like, it's kind of more expensive subscription box. But then I keep watching videos of Fab Fit Fun unboxings and I'm like, why haven't I gotten one yet? So one of my Facebook friends said if I pay just for the shipping that they would send me a box, and then it like automatically subscribes you to the subscription. And so it'll like bill my card for next month. So if I like this, I'm gonna keep getting it. Shh, don't tell my husband. But I thought that was super exciting and very cheap, and it's supposed to have $75 worth of products in here. So I'm really excited to see what I got. Okay, so if you've ever watched a Fab Fit Fun unboxing, you know that it comes with like a little magazine, and I don't really know what comes in it, but it might say everything that I have in here. So I'm not trying to spoil it yet. So, but it does have this little magazine. Oh, then I have the card that says what's in the box, and it tells you all the prices of everything. And all that. So before I look at that, I'm just going to open the box and see what we got. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, look how big this candle is. Okay, I'm excited already. So this is a candle from Fleur de Sel. It is a scented candle, and it says bougie parfum. I don't know if that's like in a different language, what that means, but it is from Jonathan Adler. And it's nice and heavy. It feels like a really big candle. I'm kind of excited about it, I'm not gonna lie. It's like Christmas. So it's just a cute little white candle. Honestly, this packaging is really adorable. I mean, it's just like a white glass, but it's cute. It's definitely fresh smelling. I wonder what the scent is. Oh, is it Fleur de Sel? What does that mean? I don't know what that means. So it says it retails at $48. It says, let the notes of an aquatic breeze, marine salt, orange blossom, mimosa, and driftwood take you on an instant sensory getaway. And I will say, it's definitely like a beachy scent. Like, it's very fresh. It's something I would burn more in the summer than like right now. Right now it's November. It's definitely not a fall scent. It doesn't seem like it's going to be super strong, but I mean, I definitely wouldn't pay $48 for it. That's for dang sure. But I'm excited to burn it and see how I like it. I mean, it might really have an amazing scent whenever it's burning, but just like right off the bat, it's not like anything I'm dying over, but it does smell just really fresh and clean, which I do love a good fresh and clean scent. Okay, next we have bath salts. Not the drugs, people, not the drugs. So these are from Ahava. It is Dead Sea salt, and it is just sea salts, bath salts for your bath. And I'm pregnant right now, so I'll probably get some use out of this. Honestly, I haven't really taken any baths since being pregnant, but with this back pain, girl, I need a bath and I need some sea salts. And also I have ringworm. I don't know if I should be saying that. Does that make me nasty? I don't know. But I have ringworm, and I think she said that like a bath with salts could help. So, I don't know. So for the bath salts, the retail price is $16. Bring the Dead Sea's healing waters into your own bath. The minerals will help ease muscle tension and leave you with soft skin. So I have actually been going to the chiropractor lately, and I just need a little muscle tension relief. So these will be getting some use, and it's not typically something I buy, so I don't really know how much they cost, but I would probably buy them from a drugstore if I was gonna buy them for like $5-6 for a box of them. But I mean, that's not a bad price, 16 bucks. We shall try. Okay, so the next thing that we have is LXMI brand. It is pure Nilotica Melt. It's a nourishing balm to oil. What do you do with it? Squeeze out into balm and massage onto skin. Use as an overnight facial mask or throughout the day where needed. We suggest around eyes, lips, and on dry patches. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is so cute. I've never heard of this brand before. So it says that it retails for $28. It's just a skin balm to oil. It helps smooth out imperfections. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for. My hands get so unbelievably dry in the winter. They start cracking. So it might really come in handy for that. But let's go ahead and open it and see how she smells. Actually, I can smell that candle right now. So maybe it's stronger than I thought. I don't believe this has a scent. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see that, but it's just like a balm and you rub it in and it turns into an oil. Feels nice. Smells like an oil. It's like coconut oil or something. It's kind of that texture anyways, but yeah, we'll see how I like it. I do like using stuff like this. Like I said, I won't use it during the day on my hands, but like at night, I'll put it on my hands just to really lock in that moisture and help out that dryness, because like I said, they do crack and it's awful. And I'll also use it like on my elbows, on my lips and stuff like that. So I think I'll get some use out of that. What is this? So the next thing is from the brand Avene, I don't know how you say that. It is a thermal spring water for sensitive skin. Is it literally just water? So it says spritz your face with hydrating spring water to calm, soothe, and soften the skin. Let's try her out. I could see this really being like nice in the summer. Like imagine you're on the boat and it's really hot outside and you're like, oh, I'm just dying of heat exhaustion. And then you spray this on your face. I bet that would be nice. But I don't think it has, I mean, it doesn't have anything to do with like makeup or anything. It's just to hydrate your skin, which I don't mind. So it says, key soothing care for sensitive, hypersensitive, allergic, and irritated skin. Soothing for sunburn, adjunctive care, facial redness, diaper rash, various skin irritations after shaving, after hair removal, post-procedure care, comfort and freshness to complete makeup removal after exercising during summer and while traveling. So yeah, I could see like taking this on a plane or something to hydrate. I don't know. I know people really love like the one from Aquafina or something. Oh, okay, she puts out like a definite mist. I don't know that this is made for after makeup application. I'm kind of regretting it, but doesn't really have a smell. It's really just like a hydrating mist. Like it's just spraying water on your face without splashing it totally all over yourself. So that was all on the card. It says that the total retail value, like I said, it did say $75, but this is actually a box worth $106. What I will say is I'm not really that impressed. Like, I don't know, I was expecting something more exciting. I thought maybe there'd be like a makeup product or just something. I mean, this box is more of like a relaxation, like pamper yourself kind of box. So like literally all these products I'll probably just leave in my bathroom, and that's where I'll get the most use out of them, and I think that's kind of what they were going for. And actually that candle would probably be pretty nice during a bath, so we'll give that a try. But I'll just read the quick little note on the card. It says, at Fab Fit Fun, we are all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're super excited for you to experience the starter box. It's just a small taste of what you can look forward to as a Fab Fit Fun member. Enjoy some of our top rated products and don't forget that your next box will be even bigger and include even more products. Happy unboxing. Okay, so it says that these are some of their top rated products. So, okay, that makes sense, I guess. So the theme of it wasn't necessarily like right now because, you know, they send out 4 boxes a year. So you get one with like every season. So it makes a little bit more sense. But this I see is more like a summer thing, but it's still really nice to get all of that for $5. I would have paid more than $5 for all that, so that's pretty awesome. So that's it for my Fab Fit Fun unboxing. Honestly, like I said, I'm a little disappointed, but I do think I'm gonna go ahead and get the next box and just see how I actually like the subscription box. Because I know I watch unboxings and I just am like so jealous because of the things people get sometimes. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it. We'll do a video next time I get one, but that was my basically free box and I hope you enjoyed it. I did. I mean, like I said, I don't know. I didn't really know what to expect. But anyways, that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hopefully I'll be doing a little more uploading than I have been. But anyways, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Also, if I can get the starter box deal or whatever, I will link it in the description.